Today we are going to see how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. For this I am going to take the yellow middle. After taking this yellow middle, put white edge pieces in all the edge of the yellow middle. 2 is already filled for me. Let's look at the yellow edge. Okay, 3 is filled. Now one more. Okay. The yellow and white in the edge is done. After this, look at the white down color. It is red. So, after getting the middle part of that's red, go down 2 times. After, let's look at the another white edge. This is orange. Just look for the orange and drag that down 2 times. This is green. Let's look for the green and drag that down 2 times. Let's then look for the blue. Okay, that is done. And drag down 2 times. Then put the cube upside down. We will observe a white cross in the middle. Then we will concentrate on the corner piece of the cube with white in it. This has 2 colors, red and blue. Let's look for the color which have red and blue. This have red and this have blue. Let's put this in the corner, in this corner. Okay, done. This part is almost done. Then let's look at another color. This is red and this is green. Let's put inside it. Okay, it is done. And 2 color remaining. This has blue and this has orange. Let's put inside it. After this, orange and green, let's put inside it. Okay, we can observe a T in the every piece of the cube. After the white, we can observe a T shape. Then we want to focus on this edge of the O cube. This is blue and this is red. For this to get inside the red and blue this side, we have to do this algorithm. Left, up, right, down, right, up, left, down. After this, we will get this blue and this red. Then we can observe for another color. This is red and this is green. It must enter in this edge. For this, again use that algorithm. Left, up, right, down. Then right, up, right, left, down. Okay. Again the red and green is filled. For this, to get inside this, for right to left, we have to do this algorithm. Left, right, up, left, down, right, left, up, right, down. We will get green and orange in this corner. After, we have to search for these two colors, orange and blue. Okay, we have gotten it. After this, we have to get this into this. For that, left into right. For this, we can do the first algorithm. Left, up, right, down, right, up, left, down. Now, we can observe all this part and these have filled the all colors. After this, we have to take this. Look this. This is a J. So face this and do this step. This face up, right up. This left, right down. Then again left to right, face down. Okay, we get this hyphen symbol. After this, we will again do this. After doing this, we can get this cross-like symbol. After getting this cross, look at the edge of this old cone edge. Place them in a fixed order. Okay, I have fixed this orange, but no blue, no green, no red and no green. Then we can do another blue, red, no red, green, no green, orange, no orange. Then again red, okay, this is filled. Green, this is also filled. Orange, that is not filled. Blue, this is also not filled. Look, this is and this is filled. So we will take this front side and do this algorithm. Up, right up, left, right down, left, right up. Then do left 2 times. 1, 2. Then put down and arrange this edge in a perfect manner. Okay, you will now observe the orange is in correct place, blue is in correct place, red is in correct place, and green is also in the correct. Then you will concentrate at the corner of the each piece. Look, it is common for every corner piece. For example, if there is yellow here, orange will be here and blue will be here. Here, this is not a correct piece. Here, this is also not a correct piece. Here, this is not a correct piece for this. So, we will do the algorithm. Left up, right, left, right, down, left, down. And then look, here this one piece is in, but all the corners are in a random position. So we focus at the front of it and do again the same step. Right, left, up, left, up, right, left, right to right, down, left, down. Then put the edge in the correct piece. Okay. Now we can observe this is in the correct range, This is the correct place. This is also in a correct place. So we will do this algorithm by facing this position. This position. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. After getting this yellow piece in this corner, we have to don't look at this part and rotate this side and do this algorithm. Again, down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Again, don't mind this all and rotate it. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Here we can say our 3x3 Rubik's Cube is finished. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.